Your appearance will be the key to everything you want in life. The girl of your dreams, the job that you want, the friends that you want, the confidence you need. You can use it to build your own success. I want to share with you 7 scientifically backed secrets so you can look more attractive. The first tip is to master first impressions by only worrying about how you introduce yourself and how you end the conversation. This is known as the peak end bias. The peak end bias states that people will only remember a situation or event by its most extreme point and the end of it. And so, you can manipulate this to impress anyone. According to research published by Frontiers in Psychology in 2019, this phenomenon extends into all areas of life. This means you can use it to master first impressions and improve how you look to those around you. I'll give you a good one. When you go on your first date, excuse yourself to go to the bathroom and then quickly sneak to pay for that meal. Then, when it comes time to leave, simply get up and start walking. It's gonna create the illusion almost like you didn't even pay. This will spike emotions in your date. And when they ask, what are you doing? We forgot to pay. You can explain, oh, it's already covered. Doing that, you have associated the most impactful moment of the date, which is the end, with positive emotion, thereby increasing your appearance as a powerful yet mysterious man. And that is all that she will remember based on the peak end bias. But be warned, this is a high-level maneuver. You should reserve this for women that you truly want to impress because she will become obsessed with you. It's the only one you've learned so far in this video, but it's powerful. And I'm here to tell you, it only gets better from here. 2. Instantly increase attractiveness with facial contrast enhancement of how much your eyes, lips, and eyebrows contrast against the color of your skin. And according to a study published by the National Library of Medicine, increasing this contrast leads to a more attractive face. So, here's how to naturally increase the contrast of your eyebrows from home. First, I want you to get an eyebrow shaver tool. You can get these on Amazon, they're relatively affordable. It's basically like a pen. You will use this to trim all the peach fuzz around your eyebrows. You're not shaping your eyebrow. You are instead removing invisible tiny hairs that when doing so will create the illusion that your eyebrows are darker and fuller than they naturally are. Next, I want you to get whitening eye drops. And anytime your eyes feel dry, you can apply a few drops to clear any redness or yellowness in your eyes and make the whites in your eyeballs clear so they stick out. And finally, use a lip scrub. You can do this with a little bit of water and sugar and remove all the dead skin in your lips. This will increase the natural color of your lips, which will increase that contrast and also make your lips look fuller. 3. Make women come to you with the cost signaling theory. The cost signaling theory is when individuals engage in expensive behaviors to showcase wealth and status, a trait that according to a study published in the National Library of Medicine, women are hardwired to desire. So, here are 3 actionable steps to capitalize on this theory and improve how you look. First, invest in high-quality piece of jewelry. During a study conducted in the Journal of Evolution and Human Behavior, men and women who wore jewelry were found to be more attractive than those who didn't. The key, however, is to ensure that it conveys wealth without it actually breaking the bank. This is why I always turn into GLD when I'm looking for inexpensive jewelry, a company that is founded on the premise of providing high-quality jewelry that looks expensive at an affordable price. Each piece is custom designed, and it's also made with real gold, so it looks the part and it lasts a long time. Second, you need to select jewelry that complements both your skin tone and your clothing. Science shows that for those with dark skin tones, gold pieces will highlight their skin undertones, and those with light skin tones, they should wear silver pieces to highlight their skin undertones. And that's another reason why I turned to GLD. They have a wide range of gold, silver, and diamond pieces, so you have something for every single occasion, specifically for those guys that are looking for jewelry that can elevate the color of their skin. I'll give you an example of just how powerful this is. I'm going on a date. I'm wearing a black shirt. I throw on a gold chain. Maybe I opt for diamonds, maybe I don't. Look at the pop, both in my skin tone and also in the signaling of wealth, which applies to the cost signaling theory that I'm introducing you into this tip. It elevates your entire status. Now, the third thing you want to capitalize on is on the von Restroff effect. The von Restroff effect states that something that has a unique feature or that stands out will be more memorable and therefore more attractive. So, if every other guy is wearing simple jewelry, it all looks the same, you're wearing a minimal chain, with some diamonds, you will stand out, especially against all the men that she's used to dealing with. And that's why there's no better place to turn than GLD. Because if you want to level up your jewelry game and take advantage of the cost signaling theory, I don't want you to spend a lot of money. I don't want you to spend hundreds or thousands. As a matter of fact, right now, GLD is running a 50% offer through the month of November and Cyber Monday and the holidays, which makes it perfect not only for yourself, but also as a gift. And if you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. 4. Completely eliminate acne with infrared sauna therapy. Sauna therapy has been proven to eliminate acne through its ability to dilate blood vessels, increase circulation, and remove toxins from the body. During a study published in the National Library of Medicine, researchers gathered 41 participants between the ages of 20 and 49 years old. During the study, the participants were asked to use the sauna twice a week for 15-minute sessions at 80 degrees Celsius or 170 degrees Fahrenheit. By the end of the testing, the top layer of their skin shown signs of significant hydration, faster recovery from damage and water loss, and increased barrier function. So here's what you'll do. You'll first find a local gym that has a free sauna to use. For maximum results, you will want to use it every single day for 15-minute sessions. And according to science, it's completely healthy to do. Then, within just 1 week, you will notice a massive difference in the quality and health of your skin, both in hydration and reduction in acne. Tip 5. Use adaptive contrast showering to improve your skin tone. You see, most men shower one of two ways. They don't realize that there is a third way, which is much better for your attractiveness. The first type are the men that just jump into the shower and use hot water that dries the skin. The second group uses a cold shower, hops in, and then hops out really quick. Then, there's a small group of men that uses adaptive contrast showering, where they start the shower with hot water and then immediately end the shower with cold water, which helps balance your skin tone. By doing this, you will stimulate the white blood cells in your blood that will help eliminate acne, wrinkles, cellulite, and overall, improve your skin tone. In fact, this specific study that used 50 volunteers that would use hot water and then immediately cold water as they showered every day saw a significant increase both in skin health and appearance. So here's how you maximize it. First, you will use a thermometer to measure the temperature of the shower, because in the study, they made sure that the hot water was at 37 degrees Celsius or 98 degrees Fahrenheit. When the water reaches that temperature, you can use a Sharpie to lightly make a mark. That way, every time you enter the shower, you can always put it at correct temperature. Then, you will shower for 5 to 10 minutes max at this temperature. And right before ending your shower, you will turn it to the coldest setting and shower between 30 and 45 seconds. Tip 6. Achieve celebrity-level skin using snail mucus. Snail mucus, it's that slime that snails produce as they move. And while yes, that sounds disgusting, it's what every celebrity is using, especially those that you think never age and have perfect skin. This is their secret, because it is rich in glycoproteins, hyaluronic acid, and glycan acid, all of which have been proven to have a positive impact on skin health. So here's how you do it. First, you'll need to purchase snail mucin, which you can find on Amazon. And based on reviews, this is one of the best ones that you can find on the market. Then, you will want to apply a pea-sized amount before going to sleep every day. Now, when you apply it, you want to pat it onto your skin. You don't want to rub, because when you pat it on your skin, you allow the skin to absorb the nutrients as you sleep. The next day, when you wake up, you will feel an immediate difference in the softness and almost perfect glass-like skin that you will receive. It is truly a secret. And think about it. At this point, I've shown you how to manipulate first impressions with the peak end rule. I've showed you how to enhance your face with the facial contrast enhancement. I've shown you how to get women to approach you with cost signaling theory. I've shown you how to use sauna therapy to clear your skin. Then, how to change how you shower to improve skin tone. And finally, how to use snail mucus to have glass-like skin. These are scientifically backed tips you won't hear anywhere else. But I have left my best and most powerful tip for last. Number 7, use gaze aversion to increase how others perceive you. Gaze aversion is a powerful nonverbal communication tool that can be used to make others feel worse about themselves while elevating your position. In fact, in a study published by ResearchGate, they found that people who interacted with a robot that exhibited gaze aversion feel more uncomfortable and less engaged than when people interacted with a robot that had direct eye contact. So here's how you use it. During a conversation with someone, you want them to like you more. First, you're gonna slightly look away as you speak to them, showing them that you have little interest in being in that conversation. Second, you will break eye contact frequently during that conversation, and then you will slightly look up and down at them. Make them feel a little bit intimidated. They will start questioning themselves. And finally, slightly look at their forehead or in the middle of their eyes every time they talk. Never directly at their eyes. Doing all of this has to be subtle, but will make them feel a bit less confident about themselves and will seek for your approval. This will make them want you more. However, I left this for last because it is a dangerous and dark manipulation tactic. Therefore, you should use it responsibly and use it only when absolutely necessary. Usually, when you're in the presence of somebody that feels that they're superior to you. But that's why I told you, I always leave the best for last, for those that truly are trying to look better. And if you want to continue to level up, I'm gonna leave you 2 more videos here. See you boys next time.